A very cheerful good morning, all of you. Welcome to the English class. So, student, yesterday we have completed the two main kinds of verbs as a transitive verb or intransitive verb. So, today we will continue the remaining chapter. First of all, we have to study that has, have, or had verbs. So, let's start. So has, have and had are verbs which show possession as देखिए स्टूडेंट जो भी has, have और had जो verbs होती है वो क्या शो करती है एज ए पोजेशन पोजेशन मीन्स क्या होता है अधिकार हमारे पास ये चीज है मेरे पास टॉय है मेरे पास पेन है मेरे पास बुक है तो उसके लिए मैं क्या यूज करूंगी has, have या had. Okay student, now you have to know very well that when we use as a singular subject we use a has, when we use as a plural subject we use have verb, and we you know very well that we have to use as a past sentence we use a had verb. Okay student, so let's start. So first example is here, I have a pen. So student, you notice that I have मेरे पास as a possession we use as a possession have. So I have a pen, we don't use as a has with the have. So with the have as a subject we use a have. Okay, now in the second sentence she has some new storybooks. Okay, now third sentence is there, they had some new stamps which are stolen. Okay students, now move on the next page. Fill in the blanks with has, have or had. Okay, first one is here, we dash three dogs as pets. So we have three dogs as pets. Number second, Roshan dash a bicycle. Here, Roshan, you know very well that Roshan is subject is a singular, so we use has. Okay, Roshan has a bicycle and he exercises every day on it. Number third, they dash lots of games in their house to play with. Yes, they have. Okay. Number fourth, do you dash a pen to lend me, Rati? Yes. Do you have? Okay, we use have. Okay. Now number fifth, Rajni dash a new friend. So यहाँ notice किया आपने रजनी क्या है एक as a singular subject of we use has. Okay. Number six, Mani Kabir dash a lot of books in their house to read. Yes. Kabir have a lot of books. Okay. Now we move on the exercise number 4. Yes, underline all the transitive verbs in the following sentences. Then circle the objects of the underlined verbs. One is done for you first. Here, my cat climbs trees and scratches furniture. Here you notice that you have to underline the verbs and you have to circle the object. Okay. In the second sentence, birds lay eggs in nest. So here, lay, you have to underline lay as a verb and egg as a subject in this sentence. Okay. Now third one is here. Anjali tasted the soup and liked it. So here tasted as a verb and soup is here as an object. Number 4, carpenters make furniture, tailors make clothes. So here carpenters make, here make as a verb and furniture here is a object. And after that the tailors make here is also a verb and after that clothes is here a object. Now number 5, my father washes the car. Here washes is here as a verb and car is here as a object. So circle the car and after that and I dry. Here dry as a verb, underline the dry and it as a object is circle it with a cloth. Number 6, they buy all their books from this shop. So buy here as a verb and books here as a object. Number 7, we ordered chicken for lunch. Here, ordered as a verb and chicken as an object. Number 8, the butler opened the door with a duplicate key. Here, verb as a open and the door is here as a object. Okay. Now, number 9, Jahir plays cricket every evening. So here, plays as a verb and cricket as a object. Okay. So number 10, the merchant gave the beggar a silver coin. So now the student here gave as a verb and the beggar here as a object. Okay student, I hope you have understood the exercise number 4. So now move on the next verb as if we will discuss as a Study as a complement. Okay, students. So, what is a complement? A verb requires a form to complete predicate is called a complement to the verb. So now the student look into the example. First one is here. The old man is tired. Okay. Second is Sita seems happy. Third one is here. The teacher became angry. And the number four, the children look healthy. So now the children, the verbs in this sentence is do not make full meaning by themselves. Okay. Some things is added to them to complete the sense, but what is added is not the object. अभी तक तो हमने बात करी थी कि हम जिस सेंटेंस के अंदर सेंटेंस कंप्लीट किए तो उसमें हम एज ए ऑब्जेक्ट यूज करते थे उसको कंप्लीट करने के लिए, लेकिन यहाँ पर हम ऑब्जेक्ट की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं उस सेंस को कंप्लीट करने के लिए. सो देयरफॉर these verbs are not transitive. Okay, in these sentences some words are required to form complete predicates. Okay student, हमको predicate को part को complete करने के लिए कुछ words की जरूरत होती है, उसको हम क्या कहलाते हैं, वो क्या कहलाती है, such words are called complements. Okay, I hope you have to understood what is a predicate. What is said about the subject is called predicate. Predicate क्या होता है, जब भी हम subject के बारे में बात करते हैं तो वो क्या कहलाता है हमारा part as a predicate. So the word tired, which tells us what the old man is. Okay, in the second sentence, what which is required to form a complete predicate is called a complement to the verb is. Here the word happy is a complement to the verb seems. So in this example, Sita seems happy. Okay, though the word happy is a happy क्या यहाँ पे as a complement to the verb seems. In the next sentence, the teacher became angry. The word angry is a complement to the verb became. And then the third sentence, the word healthy as a the children look healthy. Okay, the word healthy is a complement to the verb look. I hope you have to understood what is a complement. Complement क्या होता है? Complement is the verb that is necessary to complete the meaning of a given एक्सप्रेशन. जो भी एक्सप्रेशन सेंटेंस के अंदर है उसको कंप्लीट करने के लिए जिसकी वर्ड की आवश्यकता होती है वो क्या कहलाता है, एज अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट. ओके, हियर इज अ नोट, अ वर्ड रिक्वायर्ड टू फॉर्म अ कंप्लीट प्रेडिकेट इज कॉल्ड अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट टू द वर्ब. जिस भी वर्ब को कंप्लीट करने के लिए एज ए वर्ड की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है अपने प्रेडिकेट पार्ट को कंप्लीट करने के लिए, वो क्या कहलाता है, कॉम्प्लीमेंट. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द एक्सरसाइज. In the following sentences, underline the verbs and circle the complements. Okay. Also write whether the verbs is transitive or intransitive. Okay. First one is done for you. Ashok wrote a letter. Yes, here wrote is as a transitive verb. In the second sentence, the baby sleeps. So here sleeps is underline the sleeps student, and after that sleep is a intransitive verb. Okay. Number third, Hari seems tired. Here seems क्या है? Seems as a क्या है? Verb है. So here seems tired we use as a tired as a complement here. Okay. So here seems, underline the seems, and the answer is complement. Number four, the old man is dead. So here the verb is here intransitive. Is, the old man is dead. Here is a verb and it is a intransitive. Number fifth, the child appears pleased. Here appears क्या है, आपको पता है कि appears क्या है, as a क्या है appears, आपको पता है ये क्या है, complement. Here we use appears as a complement. Please, so appears as a, we circle the appears and we write the complement. Number seven, Sita was very happy. So here, so number six, Mira was unhappy. Here was as a complement. So we circle the was. Okay, here is a complement. Number seven, Sita was very happy. Here also was we use as a circle and was is a here. This sentence is a complement. Okay. Number eight, the man laughed. Here laughed. Underline the laughed as a verb here. So here it is a intransitive verb. Number nine, he writes novels. So here writes, underline the writes, and here the sentence is a transitive verb. Now number 10, The dog. Transitive verb. Transitive. So number 10, the dog bit the boy. Here, underline the bit, it is a transitive verb. Okay. Number 11, the weather was cold. Here, circle the was. Here, it is the sentence is a complement. Okay. Number 12, the sun shines. Underline the shine. Okay, student. Number 12, the sun shines. Here you notice that shines is a as a verb, so it is a transitive verb. Number 13, Sita gathered roses. So here gathered, you have to underline the gathered and it is a transitive verb. Number 14, the boy made a kite. So underline the made and it is a transitive verb. Number 15, the fire burned the house. So here burnt is also a verb. Here we underline the burnt and it is a transitive verb. Okay, student, let's move on the next page. Okay, number 16 is sparrow's chirp. So here underline the chirp. Yes, it is a intransitive verb. Number 17, he went mad. So here went is you have to circle the went or it is a complement. Okay. Number 18, she looked sad. Here you have to circle the looked verb. Okay. So it is a complement. Okay, student. I hope you have to understood the exercise number 5. So let's move on the exercise number 6. इन द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस पिक आउट द ऑब्जेक्ट्स एंड द कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स हमको क्या करना है जब भी किसी भी सेंटेंस के अंदर या तो कोई ऑब्जेक्ट्स हो सकता है या कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स हो सकते हैं तो हमको क्या करना है किसी भी एक को हमको पिक करना है ओके सो फर्स्ट वन इज हियर ही ब्रोक द स्लेट हियर स्लेट इज अ ऑब्जेक्ट ओके इन द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस स्लेट इज अ ऑब्जेक्ट okay in the second sentence the earth is round here round is a complement. Number third, she burnt her fingers. Here, fingers is a object. Okay. Number fourth, she looks happy. Here, complement kya hai? Yes, happy. Okay. Number fifth, Bali is strong. Here, strong is as a complement. Number six, the policeman caught the thief. Here, thief is as a object. Number seven, the children were hungry. Here, hungry is as a complement. Number 8, the sky grew dark. Here, dark as a complement. Number 9, Rama became angry. Here, angry as a compliment. In that next sentence, the woodman was honest. Here, honest as a compliment. Okay, student, I hope you have to understood the difference between what is the objects and complements. Okay, now let's move on the exercise number 7. Choose the right verbs and complete these sentences. The first one has been done for you. Okay, students? Yes. First is here sugar dash smells, tastes or feels sweet. Yes, sugar tastes sweet. In the second sentence, ships dash sail, walk or fly across the sea. Yes, ships sail. Okay. In the third sentence, wood dash as a swing flows or floats on water. Yes, wood floats. Floats. Okay, next sentence. The wind dash drove, blew or flew. My hat off. Yes, the wind blew. BLEW. Now, number 5. My paper boat dash down the stream as it flew, floated or swam. Yes, floated. FLOATED. Number 6. Fish dash as a swim, flow or float in the sea. Yes, fish swim in the sea. Yes. Number 7. The man dash drinks, smokes or burns a pipe. Yes, the man smokes a pipe. Number 8. The child dash thinks, appears or becomes pleased. Yes, the child appears. APPEARS. Number 9. The workman dash as it seems, thinks or grows tired. Yes, workman seems tired. Okay, student, I hope you have to understood the different types of verb as we have completed the transitive verb, intransitive verb, being verbs, saying verbs, and we have already completed has, have, had, a verb. Okay, student, I hope you have to understood the difference between the object and the complement in this chapter. Okay, I hope you have to know very well what is the difference between the main verb and the auxiliary verb also. Okay, please note down in your book and your copy also. Thank you.